Hi guys, I'm back. Today I'll be making chili paneer. It's literally a restaurant favourite and you literally can't go wrong with this dish. Some of my family and my friends say it's the best chili paneer they've ever had, better than a restaurant. So whether they're lying or not, who knows, but they seem to like it. Yeah. Let's get cooking. My ingredient list seems a bit extensive today, but with this dish, if you prep beforehand, it'll be a breeze. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start by frying our paneer. In my little bowl here, I have 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of red chili powder. Just gonna mix that all together. This is like my previous recipes when I fry stuff. This is like my base that I always do my frying in. Today, I'm gonna be a bit lazy and I'm not gonna put water in it. I'm literally just gonna put my paneer in straight away and then I'm just gonna cover it all up. Just coat your paneer in this mixture. And like before, if you want to add chicken to this, you can just follow the same recipes but substitute the paneer. So I'll mix that and then I'll come back. So we have our paneer covered in the flour and corn flour and spices mixture. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put it into the oil to fry. Like always guys, this is gonna be burning hot, so please be careful and keep a safe distance. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fry these until they are all crispy. Right guys, my paneer is looking really good, nice and firm and really crisp. So I'm going to take these out on a paper towel. Okay, and then we're done. We can take that off the heat. And then I'm just going to put these to the side. And then we are good to start on our sauce. And then we're just going to put a tablespoon of oil in there like so. Now we start with the sauce. So we start with our base. Onions. I've chopped one really large onion. Probably won't need all this, but you know, you can never have too much onions. I've chopped them up pretty randomly. Chop them up however you want really. And then we start frying your onions. Once they're cooking, we're going to add our ginger and garlic. I usually use fresh ginger and garlic, not the grounded one. But it's completely up to you. I just thought this was more convenient today. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of freshly ground ginger and garlic in there, like so. Whilst they're all frying together, I'm going to add in our chilies. I've chopped 3 small chilies in half. Like so. Gonna add that in. Okay, so while that's frying, they're nearly done the onions. I'm gonna add in our chopped peppers. I've got a mixture of yellow, green, red. You can have whatever you have to hand, and I've chopped them into nice little slices. So I'm gonna add that in. Like so. And now, the seriously fun part, we're going to add and create our sauce. So it's completely up to you how saucy you like your chili paneer. This is what I'm going to go with. For now, I might add more later. So I've got passata. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of passata. Well, 2.5 tablespoons of passata. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. I'm also going to add in 2 spoons of sweet chili sauce. And then Over here I have a mixture of a teaspoon of tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon of the Schezwan sauce. I'm going to just add that in like so, and then we're just going to give that all a big mix. And just let that all infuse. Oh, apologies, I forgot a few things. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. I usually use normal vinegar, but I don't have any at hand, so that will have to do. And then I'm just going to mix it all up. So I will give this about 5 minutes to infuse together, and then we'll try it, and then we'll see if we need to add anything else to it, and you're pretty much done. So yeah, we'll be back in 5, guys. Right guys, we're back. Just continue stirring your mix. I'm just going to quickly try this, and we're going to see if it needs anything. Just hopefully you guys like this. So let's get some. Right, what it needs is a little bit of heat and a tiny bit of more soy sauce. So I'm going to add some. There you go. Put a tablespoon of soy sauce in. And if you want to add more heat, you can add more Schezwan sauce, or you could add more chilies. I'm going to use the special ingredient, which I love to use in my chili paneer or chili chicken, and it's this bad boy, the Incona hot pepper sauce. I'm literally just going to use a touch. You can see how much I'm going to put in, like maybe half a teaspoon of it. Again, I don't want it too hot. And then I'm just going to mix it. And then what we will do is we'll add our paneer, or your chicken if you're making chili chicken. Apologies. And then I'm just going to mix that all together and let the paneer get really nice and hot. I like my paneer to be a little bit on the dry side, or my chili chicken, because I like it to be kind of sticky in texture. So that is why I make mine like that, but it's completely up to you guys. You can add as much sauce, passata, as much as you need to get it to that consistency you like. But this is perfect for me. This is going to be so good. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep this on heat until the paneer gets warm. So a couple of minutes, and then your paneer is done. And then I'm just going to serve it with some freshly chopped spring onions, and then it's pretty much done. So guys, that's my chili paneer or my chili chicken recipe for you. I've hoped you like it. Please do try it and let me know what you think. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. As always, please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as always, it's always appreciated. So take care and stay safe, guys. Bye.